My name is Dr. JT Kostler, and as part of MQHealth's Wellbeing Series, I will be speaking to you about my most favorite topic, the skin. Now, no matter what age or gender you may be, I'm sure you've already encountered a problem with your skin, whether that's eczema, dry skin, acne, or a new mole. The skin is a crucial part of our well-being all throughout our lives, so listen up as I share some of my top tips of taking care of your skin. Now, I find the skin to be extremely fascinating yet complex part of our body. If you don't already know, the skin is the largest organ in the human body. And in short, it comprises of three main layers, the epidermis and the dermis and the subcut tissue. So I won't bore you with all the details of the function of the skin, but let me explain to you a few that are quite common and important ones that you should know about. Firstly, our skin contains nerve endings, and these nerve endings help us feel. And the density of these nerve endings are different in different parts of our body. For example, at the tips of our fingers, on our back compared to our lip. That's why we feel things differently in different places. Another super important function of the skin is to act as a protective barrier for all the elements in the external environment. For example, the physical factors that affect our body, it acts as a physical barrier, but also it helps us protect our skin cells and our body from UV radiation, which can be very damaging. Lastly, but not the least, the skin also helps regulate our body temperature. As you can imagine, we go through lots of different climates, but our cells need an optimal temperature to function, and our skin will help regulate that so we can maintain good health. Not only does the skin have many functions, our skin, hair, and nails can also tell us a lot about what's happening inside our body. Stressful emotions, hormonal imbalances, the lack of sleep, and sometimes even internal cancer can show up first as a sign on our skin. So it's really important that we take care of our skin from the outside but also the inside. Today I want to leave with you my 3 top tips of taking care of your skin. First of all, I'd like to start off very simple but very important, and that is hydration. In our busy lives, we often forget to drink water, and it's such a simple thing to do, but our skin needs hydration, as I said, from the inside but also externally. So we want to aim to get 2 to 3 liters of water a day, unless obviously you have a medical condition where that is not recommended. Externally, we can give our skin hydration through using a very basic plain moisturizer or emollient. There's many different brands at the chemist that you could try out, but make sure you apply a good amount to your face, but not only your face, also the rest of your body. I have a lot of patients that will apply it to their face but forget about the rest of their body. Dry, cracked skin, especially in the winter months, can lead to itchy skin and also be a vector for infection, because that dry skin is very easy for bacteria to get in and cause further problems. So if you don't remember anything else from today, just remember to make sure you have a water bottle on hand and 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Your skin will thank you, and I'm sure you'll see some improvements. My second hot tip is sun protection, and I talk about this in my skin cancer work almost every day to all my patients. Something we've been heard about a lot, but often we still forget to do it. It's so important. Did you know that Australia is the melanoma capital of the world? Now, that's really not something to be proud of, and I know we can do better. So it's really important that from a young age, we're very diligent with our skin sun care. Something simple you can do is, before you walk out the door every day, no matter what the weather is, just go through a simple checklist. 1, did I apply SPF 50 sunscreen to everywhere that's exposed on my body today? Number 2, do I need a hat today? And number 3, have I kept my sunscreen in my bag to make sure that if I need to reapply it in a few hours, it's there and ready to go? These 3 simple things every day can make a huge difference. Every day of sun exposure that our skin gets adds up, and the more we burn, the more it adds up, and the higher risk we are of getting a skin cancer. Lastly, but not the least, skin checks. A skin check is a very simple 15-minute appointment with a doctor like myself. And in the skin check, what we do is we use a dermatoscope, which is a small device to look at all the skin lesions on your body, the moles, the freckles, everything, and try and find any that are showing early changes of skin cancer or that may already be skin cancer. So it's very crucial that you come. It doesn't take long. Again, as I said, very simple, and it can be life-saving. So if you haven't done that, make sure you do, especially if you have a family history of skin cancer, if you have very fair skin and tend to burn, blister, peel really easily, or of course if you've had a skin cancer before. That's really important. You get a skin check regularly every 6 to 12 months. A skin check is also a great opportunity for you to educate yourself about your skin. It's a great place to come and chat to me and ask questions about how you should be more sun protected, how you should be more skin cancer aware, and what you can do on your own to assess your skin on a regular basis to ensure that if anything is brewing, you catch it early, you seek attention early, and it doesn't cause too many dramas. A myth I would like to bust at this point is that skin cancer only happens to people of age and older people. This is actually not true. Skin cancer is the most common cancer in younger adults. So don't try and just ignore something because you think that, oh, you know, no one's had cancer in my family and I'm really young, yada yada. You never know. So just come in, get it checked, and then you can be on your merry way. So once again, thank you so much for listening, and I'd like to thank MQ Health for making this wellbeing series, and I hope you enjoyed my bite-sized 3 top tips on taking care of your skin. If you haven't already, please come see me and I will be very happy to do your skin check. Thank you.